Hi friends, today we will discuss about the unemployment in India. As you know, machines are replacing humans. Automation is causing loss of jobs. In India, still many people are not able to afford education and are forced to live unemployed. Our education system is not uniform throughout the country. Quality education is still a dream to many. Because of this, many do not have enough skill to compete in the job market. Even in this 21st century, some families in India do not allow women to work, and hence there is so much unemployment in Indian women. India ranking second in terms of population with 6 million and still counting people. This problem becomes increasingly serious and hopeless. Providing job too much population not that easy. Where the government is trying its best to shorten the gap, it become worse with the rate of growth of population. So what is the effect of the unemployment? Increase in unemployment is directly proportional to the rate of growth of the economy of any country. With such enormous number of unemployed people, with less money in their pockets, people are restricted to change and upgrade their lifestyle and get in sync with the outside world today. This is causing low standard of lives. Now that people either don't have job or are poorly paid in order to meet the demands of daily routine. Weak people tend to fall into the trap of illegal job and commit criminal offense for money. This is causing robberies, kidnap, murders, drug trade. Along with the middle class family standard gradually moving toward the middle class society, the poor society moving in the opposite direction, which is eventually pulling them below the poverty line. Gap between the rich and poor is widening. So what are the steps taken by the Indian government? Skill India initiative was launched to train youth for the job in demand and hence bridging the gap of lack of skilled professional and unemployment. Integrated Rural Development Program IRDP was launched in 1979 to supply more job for the rural people. This program brought unemployment in the area of agriculture, fisheries, road construction, benefiting 182 lakhs families and thus become very known. Now, Drone Prone Area Program DPAP was launched in those areas struck with drought for quite some time. This was introduced for the prime reason to delete seasonal unemployment.